Around 1.7 billion adults worldwide are still without an account at a financial institution or mobile money provider, and more than half of them are women and people from poor households in rural areas. Over more than a decade, AccessssHolding has built up and grown an international network of small business banks that support entrepreneurs in developing and emerging markets by providing access to responsible and fair financial services.
In Nigeria, for example, 90% of the private sector is driven by MSMEs. Therefore, for us to play our role, we know that partnering and supporting MSME was a no-brainer.
I've been with the bank for over 5 years and have been able to achieve a lot. I produce table water, sachet water, dispensary water. We were not able to satisfy people basically because of electricity, power supply. So that was the time I decided to take a loan from them to purchase a private transformer. I made a phone call to the bank, and under 24 hours, my account officer was here. He had some questions and I was able to provide all the documents required. So under 10 days, he was able to give me the loan.
As a bank, what we have done is to make sure that we make our presence felt in areas where people that had no banking history can come on board and start banking with us. So for example, we digitalize the loan assessment process. We also have a chatbot where customers can interact with us right from the comfort of their homes.
The most people who are marginalized are those in the rural areas because of the infrastructure situation. You see that a bank cannot go into the rural areas and set up base there, especially in the remotest parts of the country. But with the digital channels, we are able to reach out to these people remotely. Anyone with a simple phone, the grandmother in Mpika, the grandmother in Winilunga, can access the product just through a simple phone and using the USSD.
Wamonga irumba, tanonuta aniyabu inoniyothandiza makamaka kwa isazimayi. Chifamonga kwa isazimayi ndi amene timavutika pa nyumba posamalira monga kubana.
A farmer will benefit from getting cash. A farmer will have his money safe. A farmer who have time to plan. These farmers were very happy knowing they have access to cash at the right time.
Our target is to ensure that our Itumba customer base is increased from the current 161,000 to 1 million.
Access Bank is working with the bottom of the pyramid, and we are the ones who are responsible effectively in the country for providing the first banking experience to the people who have never before used the products of a bank.
In an effort to digitally transform our current banking model, AccessssHolding redesigned the entire loan cycle. We converted the optimized process into the digital applications to be used by loan officers while visiting the clients in their premises. And we automated the loan analysis and approval process to take risk-balanced decisions within minutes.
So all our loan officers right now, they've got tablets. So they'll go into the field, do the data analysis, that's right from there, get all the information and send it direct to the bank for the others to work on it.
That allows us to give credit decision to a client within overall 86 minutes.
So scoring loans, these are short-term loans that are given to clients based on their previous data in the system, my MBS. They don't need to come to the branch and open a traditional application. They just need to make a phone call to contact center and the loan is processed for them. We've got a lot of good clients that have loans with us. So just upon them hearing a phone call to say you are able to access a loan, they automatically respond to that.
After 2 years of introduction of scoring, on average, 30% of all micro customers are served without any additional visit to their business or home. The average processing time for a traditionally assessed loan is 6 days. For a scored loan, this is 3 days only.
Money is now accessible just a phone call away.
It was a dream come true because I didn't expect that the money would be ready within that short period of time. But with that in hand, we were able to buy irrigation dripper lines and also a few things to support my irrigation. And thank God I'm able to use that irrigation effectively.
To us, customer centricity means being not only innovative in the ways in which we serve the needs of our clients, but also remaining relevant to the current challenges such as the COVID-19 pandemic.
Ikintu cyanejeje rero maze kurangiza iyo kredi nubwo hari muri covid barambwiye bati itabire kugera aho dukorera tuguha amafaranga ukomeze business. Bama amezi 15 yo kuyishyura mu kwezi nishyuraga ibihumbi 177.
During the pandemic, my business went down. But the moment I got a loan from AB Bank, it boosted my business. We were offered some contracts of doing face masks. So that money helped me to buy the materials and I put through.
Access Holding is committed to offering every micro, medium and small-scale business owner the tools to grow and increase their profits. Therefore, our managers use business intelligence tools for better and faster decision-making. Dashboards with detailed analysis of portfolio trends and client behavior help them to react to changing demands and set the strategic priorities for their banks. These are just some of the many ways in which we provide access to banking to everyone, everywhere.